Okay, good morning everyone. So today we got a Craftsman traditional series coming in for standard setup. Other than that, his jack is giving him issues, so I changed it out to switchcraft output jack. Strings will be 1052 elixirs. So yeah, stay tuned till the end of the video. I hope to see you. Bye. Okay, hello, guitar is ready. This is a Craftsman traditional series. Yeah, I like the color. At first glance, I thought it was a Fiesta red style fender, but it's not. You can actually see a bit of the wood grain, which is pretty cool. Okay, so this one is standard setup. He says that the B string, the first two strings, first and second string, sounds a bit thin when he use 0.9. So I advise him to use 0.10 just to bump up a bit more of the tone. As for the pickups also, I raised it a bit more. Output jack was giving some issues, so swapped that out with switchcraft output jack. Other than that, ports and switches are clean. I adjusted a bit of the truss rod, so it's now it's not dead straight. Okay, for the 12th fret, it's at bass string is at 1.25. Treble side will be slightly below 1.25. The saddles needs to be changed, but yeah, so use whatever that is right now. The screws I cannot adjust. Actually can go a bit more lower, a bit more comfortable, but mostly he says that he access only from here to here for playing chords, mainly chords. So yeah, so down here to down here very comfortable already. It's only that if you want to access from the 12th fret onwards, then there might be some buzzing here. So fret leveling is one thing. Second thing is, of course, change the saddles so I can bring lower. Okay, so this is the sound test or note test. Sounds good. Okay, so let me know if you want to pick up. By the way, these strings are Elixir's 1052 OptiWeb, so it sounds a bit more brighter than other strings, which is quite nice. Balance out a bit more of the tone. Yeah, so let me know when you want to pick up. I see you soon. Bye. Okay, if you like the content, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to contact me for any of the guitar or bass work, you can contact me via WhatsApp 84189951. Hope to see you soon. Bye.